Hello, today's topic? At the shopping mall.
Excuse me, can you help me find jeans?
Sure, they're in the clothing section.
Thanks. Do you have any in black?
Yes, we have various styles. Follow me.
These look nice. Do you have my size?
Let me check. What size are you?
I'm a size 32 waist and 32 length.
Yes, we have that size available.
Great. I'll try these on. Where are the fitting rooms?
Just around the corner to your right.
These fit perfectly. I'll take them.
Excellent choice. Is there anything else?
Yes, I need a new belt as well.
Belts are right over here. What size do you need?
I'm not sure. How do I measure?
You measure your waist size in inches.
I think I'm around a 34-inch waist.
Then you'll need a size 36 belt.
Thanks for your help. This one looks nice.
It complements your jeans well. Anything else?
No, that's all. Where do I pay?
The checkout is right up ahead.
Thank you for your assistance.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Vocabulary.
Shopping. Jeans. Clothing. Size. Waist. Length. Fitting room. Belt. Measure. Inch. Pay. Checkout. Assistance. Find. Various. Fit. Perfectly. Choice. New. Assistant.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.